What if I tell you that chain rule is simply the derivative of inner function and outer function? It's best to memorize this way instead of memorizing this formula, which often through majority of the students. But here we are looking for the best strategy to solve our problems during exam or quizzes, to master the chain rule. And you must remember that there's another form of this, the differentiation f. Then suppose there's a function of fx. It's simply the derivative of outer function within gx times inner function gx. And this is what we are going to follow, and just watch me how to solve this using this approach. For example, we have this problem, this function h of x is equal to square root of 5x plus 3. Okay, we need to apply chain rule here. Now think for a second, what is outer function and what is inner function here? Looks to you. Okay, I think you all agree that outer function is this square root of x. This is with respect to x, right? And suppose this inner function, this g of x is what? 5x plus 3. And now we are taking the derivative of this f of x. So derivative of x, this is simply x raised to 1 over 2, right? So this is power, bring the power down and then subtract minus 1 from it with this. And then here derivative of gx is 5x, derivative is 5 plus constant is 0. So applying this chain rule, we have, so derivative of h of x is, applying chain rule, f dash x, right? Suppose we have this of gx. That means we have to plug in gx here times g dash x, derivative of gx, like inner function, which is simply 5. So answer to this is 5 over 2 square root of 5x plus 3. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.